Hello, welcome back. So in this video I'm gonna create a resin pen holder. So as you can see, I've already put my first coat and first base and it's already hardened and ready, and I'm gonna pour in my second base. So this is 2:1 ratio resin and with silver flakes in it. So let's pour it in. As I'm done pouring, I'm gonna evenly spread the resin out so that none of the places are left. Just a little bit over there and over there. So now as I'm done with this, I'm gonna place my already prepared holder onto it, and yeah, I think I'll prefer it to be little in the corner, so I'll place it in the corner. And let's spread the resin around evenly. So now I'll show you guys a closer look of how it is. So this is how it looks when seen closely. Now we are going to let it dry for a day and we'll be back. So it's been a day and I'm going to demold it now. This is how our pen holder looks like. Thank you for watching.